Basic types of meditation. Scientists generally class all types of meditation under two categories. The first one is focus attention meditation, which involves focusing the attention on a chosen object throughout the entire session. The object you focus on can be a visual image, a body part, breathing, sound, a concept, another person. Example of focus meditation is chakra meditation, sound meditation, breathing meditation. The second kind of meditation is open monitoring or contemplation. Open monitoring meditation involves non-reactive observation of the present experience from moment to moment, without judging or trying to control. Rather than focusing on one object, the attention is open, monitoring all aspects of our experience without judgment or attachment. All perceptions, whatever internal, thought, feeling, memory, or external, sound, scent, are accepted for what they are. This is true for all mindful meditation and Vipassana meditation. In summary, there are thousands of different kinds of meditation. The instructions for most of them are similar. Relax, focus on one object or activity, and let all else drop aside. The most widely used meditation are breath and body awareness, mantra and affirmations, visualization, and the fourth is sense objects. Most meditation have a similar goal: to enhance our ability to relax and focus. If you like this video, please share. Thank you for watching.